Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about SolidWorks surfacing features. There are many features similar to solid modeling like extrude, revolve, loft. So I'm going to explain one by one. So this is the part file. We have to go to surface module. So I'm explaining about extrude surface. So it is similar to thin feature in solid modeling, but one difference is this surface is having zero thickness. Here I am going to explain about fill surface. So I can select this and I am selecting the 4 edges. So it automatically fills the surface. Now I am going to explain about planar surface. Select this plane, go to sketch, keep it normal and say OK. Now you can see a planar surface created on the plane 2. See, this is the planar surface. So I am going to hide other 2 surfaces. So this is the planar surface. Now I am going to trim surface. And this is to remove the surface. So I have selected the trim planar surface. So I am going to select this. So this is going to remove. I can use keep selection also if I select this one. See, it is removed. Now I can hide this. So now it is trimmed. I can use thicken option. So 1 mm. So thickness is added. So I will hide this plane. See here, thickness is added. Now I am going to show you how to use fillets. So instead of sharp edges, I have created fillets. So I have created two sketches. And I am selecting this sketch and this sketch. So this is the loft feature. So it is similar to solid modeling. Now I am creating a revolve feature. So instead of 360 degrees, I am keeping 270 and axis. So this feature is also similar to solid modeling. Now I am going to explain about swept surface. So we need two sketches for that. Select the top plane, go to sketch, keep it normal, and take one arc. Say OK. Go to surface, select swept surface. Select the profile and other arc as path. So this is how we create a surface with a sweep option. So I have covered extrude surface, revolve feature, revolve surface, swept surface, loft surface. Next I am going to show you filled surface. So for that I have to create one planar surface. Planar surface is nothing but flat surface with zero thickness. So here I can select this circle and this is closed now. Now we can select these two surfaces and knit the surface. So these two are combined now. So in boundary surface we need at least 4 curves or 3 curves, 2 in parallel, other for guiding curve. So I have created 3D sketch connecting these two curves, two arcs. So select boundary surface. Here you have to select two. Select this, and the other direction we have to select one guiding curve. So it forms according to this guiding curve, and these are the cross section. So this line is a graphical error, so don't consider this. I have already created like this. So boundary surface. So free form, we have to select this face and add one curve somewhere here. Now keep it in right plane. Go to add points. So here we can add this point. Just click on this point. One triad appears. Slowly move this little bit and say OK. See, this is the freeform option. So this is about surfacing features like extrude, trim, revolve, boundary surface, offset surface. And I am going to explain each and every option in detail in upcoming videos. Please keep watching. Thank you.